In this guide, you'll learn how to fix iPhone swipe not working. Let's get started. First, try performing a forced restart. Press and hold the side button and power button at the same time until you see the slide to power off option. Slide it to turn off your iPhone, wait a moment, then turn it back on and try the swipe off gesture again. If it's still not working, the next step is to enable Control Center on the lock screen. Launch settings, scroll all the way down and head over to the option Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter the passcode. Type in that. Now navigate to this section, allow access when locked. Make sure the Control Center toggle is turned on. This simple fix could help if you're having trouble swiping up from the lock screen. If that does not work, enable access to Control Center within apps. Go to Control Center by heading back to the main page of settings. Once you're over here, you're gonna find this option, Access within apps. Toggle on for it. This ensures that the swipe up gesture works in any app. If it's still not functioning, you may need to reset all settings. For that, head back, go to General, click on Transfer or Reset, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. Hopefully, one of these fixes will get your swipe up gesture working again. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.